All right, everybody, let's do some problems from this assignment. So let's get out Unit 1, Lesson 6, and let's look at problems involving the word midpoint and segment bisector. Let's give it a shot. So if I give you words, I'm going to tell you right now, the best thing you can do is if all I give you is words is draw this picture. Let's draw a picture where T is the midpoint of segment HA. So I am going to draw in segment HA. And T is the midpoint. That means T is smack dab in the middle. So I can mark it like this. I can also put some color on it. So I know H yellow equals yellow. And I know yellow plus yellow equals green. Both of these are true. And as of right now, I don't know which one I'm going to use. I just want to be prepared. So yellow, HT is 15, so 15, and they want me to find, they gave me yellow, they want me to find HA, they want me to find HA, let me color it up, find HA and AT. So they gave me yellow, and they want me to find yellow. So if they give me yellow, I know every yellow is 15. And then 15 plus 15 equals 30. So if we write it out, we can say green, HA, there's HA, green is 30. AT is yellow, and every yellow is 15. Easy. All right, so let's take a look at this one. So we were told segment BF is a segment bisector of RE. This means RE gets cut in half. So let's draw this out. Here's segment RE. D is where they are going to intersect. And then segment BF comes between them. So RE is the segment that gets cut in half. So let's look at this. RE is 19. RE is this whole thing. Find RD, yellow. Find DE, yellow. Okay, so if the whole thing, we know yellow and yellow are always equal. And 2 yellows equal 1 green. So this is what we know. Yellow equals yellow. Yellow plus yellow equals green. Well, we know the green is 19. These yellows are going to be the same, so I'm going to call them both X. So 2X equals 19. Let's divide by 2. X equals 9.5. Boom. So that means both yellows are 9.5. So when we look back up here at the top, RD is 9.5, the length of RD is 9.5, and the length of DE is also 9.5. All right, let's go ahead and hit pause, and then I would like you, goodness, what's going on? There we go. And I would like you to do questions 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you're done, unpause, and I will help you out with some more. So 7, D is the midpoint of segment PQ. So if I draw segment PQ right here, D is the midpoint of that segment. It goes smack dab in the middle. Because it's a midpoint, those two segments are congruent. PD is congruent to DQ, which means these two those two segments are going to be the same, and if I add them together, I get the whole thing. That's why I like adding pictures. So PD, they gave me PD, that's yellow, is negative 17 plus 2x. PQ is the whole thing, that's green. So x plus 14 is green. Let's find the value of x. So I want to create and solve an equation. Well, from this diagram, I know yellow and yellow are equal, and yellow plus yellow equals green. These are the two equations I can make from a segment bisector. So every time I see a yellow, negative 17 plus 2x. Green is x plus 14. So I only know one yellow. That means the second yellow is going to be the same thing. So let's plug these in. Negative 17 plus 2x plus negative 17 plus 2x. Combine like terms over here on the left side. So negative 34 plus 4x equals x plus 14. I did negative 7 and negative 17. That's how I got the negative 34. And 2x plus 2x, that's how I got the 4x right there. Now I'm going to get rid of the smaller x, which is this x right here. So I'm going to subtract x on both sides of my equation. So nothing happens with that negative 34. Bring it straight down. 4x minus x is a positive 3x. Equals x minus x is 0, just like I wanted. That equals 14. Let's keep solving it. I'm going to add 34 to both sides. So 34 minus 34 is 0. Bring down that 3x. That equals 48. Continue to get x by itself. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X equals 16. Always double check. Did it want x or something else? Find the value of x. I've got x, so 16 is the correct answer. All right, let's try number 8. BR is the, that shouldn't say midpoint, that should say segment bisector. Line BR is the segment bisector. So segment bisector of segment KL at W. So KL is the segment I'm talking about. At point W, line BR cuts that segment exactly in half. Just like that. So according to my picture, front and back are the same. I can add them together to equal the whole thing. Now let's find out what colors they gave me. WK, WK, they gave me yellow. LW, LW, 2x minus 12, they gave me the other yellow. So if I have two yellows, I can just say yellow equals yellow. Yellow equals yellow. So my first yellow was x plus 30. They gave me two yellows. That's why I'm doing this one. 2x minus 12 is my other yellow. Let's solve it for x. So I'm going to move my smaller x. Get rid of that x on the left. If I get rid of it on the left, get rid of it on the right. X minus x is 0. Bring down the 30. 2x minus x is x. Bring down that minus 12. Now I'm going to add 12 on both sides. 30 plus 12 is 42. That equals x. Now that x is solved, look back. Wants x. Guess what? We're done. Boom, boom. Awesome. Alrighty. So that's me doing a couple. Now you do 9, 10, 11, and 12. Hit pause. Do those problems. Come right back. And I'll help you with 13 and 14. All right, here's 13. So we're told H is the midpoint of segment RP. So if I put segment RP up here, start at R, end at P. I said P, not R and R. That doesn't make sense. There we go. H is the midpoint, so H is right in the middle. which means those two seg parts are congruent. RH is congruent to HP. So I can make two equations. Yellow, yellow. Yellow equals yellow. Put them together, it equals green. So let's find out what colors they gave me. R to P. R to P, that's green. They gave me green. And then they gave me H to P. H to P is yellow. So since they gave me green, I have to have the equation that has green in it. Yellow plus yellow equals green. RH, HP is x minus 4, equals RP, x plus 8. Well, if one of the yellows is x minus 4, both of them are x minus 4. So x minus 4 plus x minus 4 is 2x minus 8. That equals x plus 8. I'm going to go ahead and move the smaller x over. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So 2x minus x is x. Bring down that minus 8. X minus x is 0. Bring down the 8. Add 8 to both sides. And we find out that x equals 16. Boom. Easy. Double check. Did it just want x? No, it didn't want x. It wanted HR. It wants HR. So 16, that's not the answer. Double check. Wants yellow. Every yellow is x minus 4. So we need to take the answer I got and plug it in for that x. So what we said x was is 16. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 is the answer we want, not 16. Pay attention to what the problem wants or you will be marked incorrect. So ST. So ray ST is the segment bisector of segment KF at G. It should say at G. So let's go ahead and draw in segment KF. Start at K and at F. G is where ray ST is going to go through. So it starts at S and it goes through T, something like this. Because of the word segment bisector, I know front and back are equal. So I can make those both yellow, and that's green. So FG is yellow. GK is also yellow. Let's find KF, which is green. Let's find the green one. So I'm going to make the equation, the two they gave me is yellow. So I'm just going to say yellow equals yellow. 3x minus 34 equals x plus 18. Let's move the smaller x. So subtract x on both sides, minus x minus x. So 3x minus x is 2x. Bring down that negative 34. X minus x is 0. It equals 18. Now let's add 34 to both sides. And we'll have 2x equals 52. Divide both sides of my equation by 2, and we get x equals 26. Always double check. Do I want x or something else? And we want green. We want green. Well, to find green, I need to add the two yellows together. To find green, I'm going to do yellow plus yellow, and that's going to equal green. I can't plug into green because they didn't give it to us. So 3x minus 34 plus x plus 18 equals green. Everywhere there's an x, plug in 26. All right, so there's my plug-in. So I'm going to do 3 times 26. So I'm going to get 78. So I'll have 78 minus 34 plus 26 plus 18. Put all that into my calculator, and I get 88, which is the answer I want. All right, so let's go ahead and finish up this assignment. Get your answers into Student View, and I'll see you when I see you.